Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to another video. Today is a follow along full day of tinting, and today is going to be basically two vehicles, and we're going to be filming the whole thing, walking you guys through the whole process. Now, before we get the day started, let's go ahead and go over this job and go over our dealer program CRM tool that we use to manage our shop. So right here, we've got this customer, which we will have to blur out all this info. Essentially, you pull up the calendar. This vehicle right here is a 2020 Mercedes C300. This is going to be getting full tint all the way around with our ceramic film. And we're going to be doing 300. Oh, actually, this is going to be a dealership that we work with. So it's ceramic film, but we're selling it for $375. So we're going to adjust the price to $375. This vehicle is going to be getting 5% in the back half and 20% in the front half in our ceramic film. So once we have all that info, we're going to go ahead and save. Once we're fully done, we're going to input all the information as far as film usage. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, so step number one is, this is a step that I like to take, is I took out the seal, but I like to get a cleaner install. So what I do is I put tape on fur-fed seals. It really helps make sure that I reduce contamination when I'm installing. So there we go. It does take a few more steps, it takes some more time, but it works really, really well. If you care about quality installs, our customers come here because they want, the highest quality install possible. This is a great way to, make sure you don't get any contamination. All right guys, so once we're done, we're gonna basically go through the edges, make sure everything's dry, and then I won't put the seal on until the very end, just to make sure that everything's fully dry and gives the film a chance and all the water to go down. So that's it. All right guys, so step number one is to clean off the windshield. I already put some water and cleaned it off. Now the next step is extremely important, and a lot of tinters, a lot of people when they're first starting do it wrong. So this is my method. It's not the method, it's what we use here. We've been using it for a long time. So you want to get a microfiber that's not very absorbent, and you want to continue to reuse this microfiber over and over again. You get Dove soap, microfiber, spray it, you're going to scrub it. And what we want to do is get a really, I don't know how you guys shower, but when I shower, I want it to be extremely soapy. Think of the same thing with this. So you're going to imagine applying a thick coating of soap to the glass. Looks like that. And we're gonna let it dry. So right now I'm still working on the side windows. So I'm just gonna let it dry and come back to it once we're ready to shrink. Very, very easy. A lot of people miss this step and it makes shrinking the film much harder. So let's continue. All right, guys, so now that the back windshield's fully dry, we're gonna go ahead and put a line across. Now, I used to be a fan of the H, but recently I actually kind of think it's pointless and sometimes it can actually complicate the install. So we're gonna grab our film, flip this guy, move this back here, and we're just gonna reverse roll it. Luckily, this windshield isn't too big. We can just roll it up nice and tight and unroll it. So you just put it on top here. It's not the right one. Jared.
It looks the same. It looks the same.
Jared, you guys just saw Jared get fired live. We did print out the wrong car. So let me grab the roll again. And we're gonna roll this up. And we're gonna lay it down, okay? Now, a good way to use your heat gun, turn it on for a little while if it's cold, and we're gonna start in this section and work our way to the left. So heat and push out. What's great about this product is how easy it is to shrink. That's what people love about it. It's extremely durable and it's not flimsy. It's very, very strong product. You always wanna use a soft tool like this. Use a hard card, you have run a way higher chance of wrinkling. All right, guys, all done with this job. Now, what I like to do here is I like to leave it outside for about 30 minutes to an hour just to make sure it's fully dried and ready to go, especially with weather like this. So I'm gonna pull it out. We're gonna do a full drone shot, show you guys how the car looks. This job, we did it for $375. We'll put the profit margin screenshot at the end of this. And yeah, guys, now time to do a Honda. Okay guys, we're now working on the second vehicle. This is a Honda Accord. We're gonna be doing 5% in the back half and 35% in the front half in our carbon window film. So if you look here, we're gonna be basically pulling up the info on this car and we're gonna be putting in all the data. So this is a full install. We select the type of film. And this one is gonna be RP Films. We'll go ahead and update the branding at the end. You put front side windows, edit, 35, backside windows, 5, rear windshield, 5. And then here, guys, let me show you guys how the film usage works. So on the backside windows, let's go with the rear windshield. Okay, so we used the 3%, and we used roll 777, 136, and we used a total length of, and let me get this for you. So guys, how you can actually track this, and this is what we do here, is how you track all of your stuff. So here we go to the software, we're gonna grab it, pull it. Here's what we printed out with 5. So you highlight it, and then here we see 83 inches. So we just put in 83 inches. We hit save, and then now we have all this info. There's no technicians here, this is just me, so we don't need to assign a technician. So that's it for this, guys. It's a $200 install, very, very easy, have it done quickly. Let's get back to the install. Okay.
Awesome. Yeah, this is for you. Yeah, thank you so much, bro. You killed it last year, so we just wanted to do something for you guys and
Yeah.
see how's everything going.
Good, thank you.
Awesome.
Hell yeah.
That's awesome.
I know, t-shirt, hat, and some wine. I don't know if you drink wine, but it's a collectible. It has the RP Films Lodi branding on it.
Yeah, I like it.
All right, to congratulate you for being in our top 20 dealers for 2024, and we're gonna be sending out a small care package out to your shop, and just want to confirm your address real quick.
All right, guys, so we are done for the day. That's 2 jobs completed. I'm gonna put what we made today in a little like corner over here or maybe up here. And yeah, so now I need to go over to visit a print shop. We have some stuff that we need to print, and then go home, 75 hard, train, outdoor workout, indoor workout, and then that's about it, guys. Then we're gonna watch a movie, and the day is done. So hope you guys are enjoying these videos. All right, guys, we are home, and I didn't have enough time to film it, but check it out. We got some new hats. This is all merch that is going to be available on the website. You see the stitched, embroidered, hard RP Films. Got some new apparel coming in tomorrow. So if you guys are interested in copping some merch, make sure to check out the link once it's available. It's not available yet. Maybe we can get some stuff up here. May or may not be available by the end of this video. But now I'm home. Got a lot of stuff to do. You know, we're all done work-wise, but time to put in the work up here and right here, baby. So let's get it.
No contest. There ain't no one like cause of you dumb or you crazy. There's no way, G. Me and my clique, we handling biz while you and your clique just act fugazi. You couldn't persuade me to give a damn, it just don't faze me. I got my Xbox, she can't play me. Money in a text box, I get paid. We the best. We the best. No contest. We the best. We the best. No contest. We the best. We the best. There ain't no rest. For the wicked I'm bad and I'm blessed. Put it to the test. For the rest there ain't no contest. So what's next? Got me leveling up, I'm obsessed. I bring the fire like I'm possessed. My personnel and my clique is the best. There ain't no contest. There ain't no one like cause of you dumb or you crazy.
All right, guys, so during my workout, I've been currently listening to reading $100 million offers. It's been amazing, trying to figure out better ways to run the business. So shout out to my friend Daniel, who got me this book, and then the next one's gonna be this one right here. Alex Hormozy, a lot of knowledge, been enjoying it, and it's been a great book. Highly recommend. What's up, guys? If you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching, bros. Today, we're gonna be finishing. Look at Albie's face. We're chilling on the couch. Gonna have my last meal of the day, protein stick, ground beef and rice, and a bagel with some bananas and honey. And we're gonna be watching Aftermath. We'll let you guys know if it's a good movie or not. How was your day?
It was good.
Yeah? Hell yeah. Time to watch.